Hi, I am Pranav Jivanpi and I am going to give an overview on our work titled Resource Efficient Hybrid Xformers for Vision. This work was jointly authored by me and Professor Amit Sethi from Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Bombay. The Vision Transformer has been very successful recently in image classification where it has provided state-of-the-art results. The major limitation of using transformers in computer vision is the quadratic complexity of self-attention with respect to the sequence length, which requires a huge amount of computational requirements, especially the GPU. Also, since attention is a general architecture, it doesn't have the inductive priors which the CNN possesses. Therefore, it requires a large amount of training data to achieve the same performance as convolutions. To overcome the quadratic complexity of self-attention, we use linear attention mechanisms. Attention matrix is actually a low rank matrix, so we can have efficient computational low rank approximations of the attention matrix. This can be achieved using linformer, performer, or Nystroformer. So we create our first architecture, which is the Vision Xformer, in which we use linear attention mechanisms instead of quadratic attention mechanisms as used in the regular VAT. Also, since linear attention mechanisms are computationally efficient, we can unroll the image into sequence of pixels directly instead of patches. Convolutional layers versus the inductive priors to capture low-level image features without requiring large amount of training data. So we use convolutional embeddings to reduce the training data requirement of our transformer architecture. So we present our hybrid Vision Xformer architecture in which we replace the linear embedding layer of the VIT using the conv layers. So we use 3 conv layers to generate the embeddings, which are then fed to the transformer architecture, where we use a linear attention mechanism. Let us look at our results in low data, low GPU settings. When compared to VIT, when we replace it with linear attention mechanisms like performer, Nystroformer, or linformer, we see that the GPU consumption reduces by less than 1/3. When we use convolutional embeddings instead of linear embeddings, we see that the accuracy improves significantly to the VIT, which is the hybrid VIT, and all the other hybrid models for the linear transformers also significantly outperform the ones that use linear embeddings. Here we show the results by comparing all the different models in 2 different datasets, the CIFAR10 dataset and the TinyImage10 dataset. And we also tested using FNet and MLP mixer architectures. We find that the linear transformers outperform the ordinary transformer, and when we replace the linear embeddings with the convolutional embeddings, the performance significantly improves. But the GPU consumption is much less than that consumed by the ordinary VAT. This result is similar in both CIFAR10 dataset and TinyImage10 dataset. We also performed experiments on other vision transformer architectures such as Levit, the Compact Convolutional Transformer CCT, and the Convolutional Vision Transformer CVT, in which we replace the quadratic attention in the transformer and use linear attention mechanisms like performer, linformer, and Nystroformer. What we observe is that when we replace the transformer with the performer and Nystroformer, the accuracy actually increases significantly, and we observe that the GPU consumption, as we previously saw, reduces by less than 1/3. This trend was observed across all the different architectures and across both the datasets. We also performed experiments by replacing the one-dimensional position embeddings that is used in Vision Transformer and replace them with rotary positional embeddings, and we found that accuracy actually improves when we use rotary positional embeddings. In our experiments, we find that replacing quadratic attention with linear attention can significantly reduce the GPU consumption. Also, replacing the linear embedding layers with convolutional layers can also significantly improve the accuracy. We also find that rotational position embeddings are much better suited for linear attention. Thank you very much for your kind attention.